In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pre-move on chess.com. Pre-moving is a useful feature that can help speed up your game by allowing you to plan your next moves in advance. It can be a big time saver, especially in fast-paced games like bullet or blitz chess. So let's walk through the process of enabling and using pre-moves on chess.com. First, open your web browser and head over to chess.com. You just need to type in the URL bar chess.com and hit enter, or you can use your favorite search engine to find the site. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the page for the login button. Click there to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Simply type these into the designated fields. If you've created your chess.com account using a Google, Apple, or Facebook account, you'll see an option to log in through those platforms as well. Just click on the appropriate button and you'll be redirected to the sign-in page of the chosen service. This step can often be a time saver if you've already logged into these services on your current device. In this demonstration, I chose to log in using my Google account. After selecting Google, you'll see a list of accounts associated with your device. Choose the one that's connected to your chess.com profile and you will be logged in automatically. Once logged in, locate the settings menu. You'll typically find this menu on the left hand side of your dashboard. Hover over settings to see more options and then click all settings. Here you'll find various settings to customize your chess.com experience. Within the settings, look for and select live chess. This section controls how your live games function. Scroll through the settings until you find the option labeled enable pre-moves. By default, this might be toggled off. Click on it to turn it on, allowing you to preset moves while your opponent is thinking. After you've enabled pre-moves, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that everything is updated for your next game. Saving is crucial, as failing to do so might result in losing all the adjustments you just made. Here's a quick tip. You can make up to 5 pre-moves during your opponent's turn, and these will be executed in the order you set them. However, if your opponent's move makes your pre-move illegal, that pre-move is automatically cancelled. It's important to know that pre-moves take effect almost instantly, consuming only about 0.1 seconds of your remaining time, making it very efficient for those really fast-paced games. And there you have it. You're now ready to use pre-moves on chess.com to enhance your gameplay. Thank you for joining me and good luck with your next chess battle.